Introduction. This app is accessible to anyone with an iPad that has the desire to doodle, draw, or paint. In this course, you will learn about the interface and tools, including the power behind Procreate's brushes, how to create a custom color palette, and why working with layers will enhance your drawing process, even how to paint on a 3D object, plus so much more. In the process of creating this course, my focus on the details have changed the way I use Procreate. I hope you have a great experience using the Procreate on your artistic journey. I am Maryam. Now let's create art. Choose the best tools necessary. Let's review the necessary tools you would need. You will need an iPad. As of this class's release date, the current version of Procreate 5X is supported on most recent iPads, as long as your iOS version is up to date. Procreate is an iOS app that runs on the iPad and is available for download exclusively on the Apple App Store. It's a robust app, so you will find it. You will love it. You may want to invest in a newer, more powerful iPad. It will run smoother. And then you will need something to draw with. Well, you can use your finger as a drawing tool. Ideally, you will want to use a stylus and preferably one that supports pressure sensitivity so you can experience a full range of brush features. For optimal experience, I highly recommend an Apple Pencil. There is no comparison to sensitivity and detail you can achieve. Let's get started on the fun stuff.